Let's look at how we use the calculator to input sample data and then also use the calculator function to get our sample statistics. So first go to Stat, choose this first tab, Edit. Let's edit our data. So I'm using L3 and L4 to type in my data. In L3, I put all of the out-of-state private university and colleges, their cost and fees into that column. And then in L4, I typed in all of the, again, out-of-state, but this time public universities, their costs and fees into that column. So once you have your data typed in, now we can go back to the Stat button. This time, tab over to Calc, choose this first option, one variable stats, and we're going to repeat this process twice so that we get the sample statistics for each of our two separate samples. So press enter, and again, I'm going to choose list L3. So I'm going to press second and 3 because right above it is L3. This is where I saved the cost for the private universities. Use the enter key, press enter, and here we have the the mean cost, so x bar, the mean, and then SX is the sample standard deviation. There is an arrow key here that you can arrow down to and get more information about your sample. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the process by going back to Stat, tab over to Calc. This time again, we're going to choose one variable stats, but I'm going to change my list to L4 because that's where I saved my second data table into L4. You can use the down arrow key or just press enter until you get all of your sample statistics. So again, here we see the mean costs and fees for the public universities for out-of-staters, and then the sample standard deviation there is SX. I hope this helps.